Hello and welcome to CHEM 109 Fall 2024 semester. My name is Corin. You can call me Dr. Sloan or Corin. I'm full of curiosity and I'm really excited to meet you and I can't wait to learn from and with you in this class. I just wanted to give you a brief overview for what our first day of class will look like. That's August 24th at 4 p.m. in the library 1176. We're going to do a brief introduction and take a look at some scientist spotlights. You'll have the opportunity to work in teams, meet some of the people that you'll be working with for the next 4 weeks of our class. We'll talk about some content and how we take notes. We'll do some practice problems, and then we'll look at how we measure change in chemistry. And then before you go, you'll have an exit ticket, and we'll have some discussion together to work on some additional practice problems. So what are scientist spotlights? It's really important to me that I introduce you to leaders in the field, individuals who are opportunities for professional networking if you're interested in the fields where they're doing research, or just a chance to see what possible careers are out in the wide world. I know some of you are probably wondering, what's the structure of class going to be like? What can you expect when we meet on Mondays and Wednesdays? So our class has a couple of components that will be really helpful for you: the homework and reading quizzes, our discussion, and then the in-class quizzes. And you also have exams and our final exam. All of these are components to your success. This is a timeline of the first 5 weeks of class. So we'll be looking at classifying matter in the scientific method. And then we'll explore scientific notation and significant figures, units and unit conversions, and then multidimensional or derived unit conversions and temperature. And then you'll have your first exam towards the end of September. We're always learning. In fact, we're always discovering. And even when it's a topic that we already know a great deal about, there's always something new for us to consider, as we can see just in the timeline of the discoveries of the chemical elements. It's really important that you know that from my perspective, education is not the filling of a bucket. You don't need to memorize facts, but I really want to light a fire. I want you to be inspired and have your curiosity and inquiry drive what you're learning. What are some resources that are available to you? Well, my job is to support you. So you can find me in Chapman E303 or in the library cafe or via Zoom if that's better for you. There are also resources available from the Cooperative Learning Center and the Science Student Success, or S-Cubed. It's really important that we connect to careers. So I want you to think about what you want to do, where you want to go, and what it is you want to learn. There are lots of ways you can connect with science and your next step professionally. There will be some announcements on Monday. We always consider learning from others, and then we have choice. It's really important that you have the opportunity to choose. And then I'll provide you with a checklist, both of learning outcomes, but also tasks you can do to help support your success. I look forward to seeing you on Monday, and thank you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks again.